What's wrong, Christopher?
This darn thing's dirty and you can't see out of it. Thought it's my eyes, but it ain't.
Making sure eyes.
What? Well,
What is he doing? You see, we make everything around here. If Chris has got it laying around, he ain't gonna spend $5 on nothing. He's gonna fabricate it.
It ain't fabricated, it's just, you ain't got one that small.
But is that new?
What?
Is that new?
No.
Exactly. My point exactly. Brad, what is this? What happened? What's that off of?
It's what happens when wash day don't go as planned.
What's it off of?
Come on, I'll show you.
Oh.
Hey, you might need to take that.
That don't do no good.
It's already dark.
It ain't dark. Oh, it's muddy though.
How fast the clouds are moving.
Oh, yeah.
Look, show the camera.
But you can't see nothing in that. Oh my gosh. Brad, what did you do? Well,
It could be salvaged.
it looks a little burnt up. Oh, okay.
Fuel tank really blowed up on me.
You killed the pressure washer.
Pump's still good. Wheel's still good. we can salvage it.
We'll salvage pieces off of it.
How old was that thing?
It's been around since I've been around, so 9+ years. And you've had it before we got together. Funny thing is, we were just looking at pressure washers Sunday at Lowe's. And then you burned that one to the ground. Did you just want a new pressure washer?
I didn't do nothing.
Did you just you've been saying for a while you want a new pressure washer. Did you do it on purpose?
New hot water pressure washer.
No, you said you need a new pressure washer, period.
I said a hot water washer.
Well, you get a regular one again because now we can't afford that because you killed our only pressure washer.
I didn't do it.
What happened though, for real?
Call matter.
Why?
Well, I don't know. I was under the cover while I was washing.
You seen why I did?
Look at that. I was looking for safety glasses the other day when I was cutting all that stuff for the trailer and looked hanging on the wall.
All of them over there. Didn't you say the fuel line came off of it?
I reckon it blowed the fuel line off of it and got on a hot motor and...
What are you doing out there, Christian?
And they tell me I need a camera crew.
You don't burn stuff. Oh, no, you don't burn stuff down. That was Brad the other day who tried to burn the trailer down. That is 2 for him in less than a week. He's not allowed to do anything.
Maybe I need to go home.
Just don't touch the race car. Don't touch the race car. Yeah, he was welding on the bottom of the trailer because Brad put the spring smasher in, as you've seen in the last video. And we previously haven't had the spring smasher in there, but the floor was a little flimsy, so he was having to weld a bar and got too close to the wall. And he was like, what is that crackling? Because we have the insulation in there. He's like, I think the insulation's on fire. So me and Chris start looking, and
We called fire department.
sure enough, it was on fire. And Chris goes and gets the water hose, and he's about to start wetting wood walls that are just gonna warp.
It says 92 and
Well, yeah. That's exactly what it says.
it says 90.
It's got about 4 different numbers right
It
there.
says 92 and blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, gibberish.
I mean, not that it matters anyway.
Right. So we got some new tires. We got one more on the way. It just ain't here yet. He's got the wheels out. He's about to start mounting some tires up, while Christopher is putting us together a breaker box for the trailer. Look at him over here working.
How do you know it's for the trailer?
Because I heard you say the other day you wanted one for the trailer.
Might not be good for it. Well,
Good job, good job. Look at this car though. Look how clean it is.
Good thing I went somewhere it wasn't real muddy.
That's for sure. Good thing we didn't go to our home track. We went to Mountain View and it was, Brad washed off with a washer. With the water hose. We've had several people asking about our wrap, and it was supposed to be here yesterday and it didn't show up. And then we were thinking, okay, maybe it'll be here today. So he tracks it and obviously it is lost. So we've got the people, Modern Images, we got them trying to figure out where in the world it is because we don't know where it's at, and it just says info unavailable to us. So hopefully we'll have a wrap by this weekend. Like I said, it's supposed to be here yesterday and still not here. And Brad's tripping over Christopher. Too bad I missed that. And Brad is working on mounting up some tires. We're gonna be off some new rubber this week if we get to race, because I think it's supposed to rain all weekend. Good job, good job.
Don't show me socks.
Huh?
Don't show me socks.
Don't show your socks. Why? It's like he's having some troubles over here.
the dirty lens, I keep selling.
Well, clean it. I thought you were going to clean it.
I done did.
And oh, you done did, and it didn't help. Look at the Hulk over here getting these tires mounted up. I'm sure this will be just one of very many videos. Oh, you talk so fast. Of you guys seeing us mounting up the tires this year. If you follow very many dirt late model teams, you know that we all go through a lot of tires. It's our biggest expense. Fuel and tires. Hey guys, Dallas here with Days of Dirt. We're in the shop today. Brad is going to be working on tires today. Chris looks like he's working on the grinder because it's got a short. So there's Brad. He's working on tires. He's got all these to do. Waiting on one more. His favorite part, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
We had a good day today?
No,
You want to tell them about the wrap?
not really.
Not really?
Mm-mm.
So our wrap is lost in mail, and they don't know what they're going to do about it. So We don't know when we're gonna have her out. It was supposed to be in here Monday. It is Wednesday and they don't know where it's at. And Christopher working on fixing that.
Yeah, everything's tearing up this week, I reckon.
Yeah. Brad burned the pressure washer. Now this is tore up. Our wrap's lost. But sweet girl's out here. Sweet girl's out here. Yeah, it's warming up for sweet girl. Yeah. 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 Happy. It's so happy. He likes being in the shop.
Oh, it'll go when I put the screws in it.
There you go.
He's trying to put it back together. See if he's fixed it or not. He's an electrician around here.
Master. Master electrician.
Joel learnt me everything on me.
Yeah. You know it.
Why don't you plug it up and see if it works before you put all that together?
It's gonna work. You got the best of the best over here.
Oh, you're right, master electrician.
Batman and Robin over here tackling the situation.
We'll see if it works.
You don't think it'll work?
I don't know.
It's gonna
Let's
work.
see.
It's gonna work.
Well, how come we got all the screws in, we got a new screw left over?
Because that don't go with this.
You good, see? Hey, wait a minute. Something ain't right. Don't that trigger supposed to?
Yes, it is.
Something ain't right.
You didn't push it back in there. I told you.
Well,
Chris?
you's on that side. You both. Let's go. We're gonna go situation on this situation here.
Oh, I said it's on. I get, yeah, the red light's on.
Yeah. We're gonna go assess the situation right
Yeah,
here.
you're gonna have to explain to me exactly what happened.
Well-
You wasn't here. How do you know what happened?
Well, all I gotta do is look at it and tell you what happened.
That's a shame.
Joel, the reason it's done this is because we PM the car, but we don't PM our
Equipment.
equipment.
Okay.
That's what happened.
All right.
So I figured you had a faulty gas line
Mm-hmm.
and it couldn't put out because the gas line was feeding the fire.
Right.
But he had time to get the camera.
Yeah, he videoed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he sent the video to me. But I mean, you know.
You gotta PM your equipment.
Yeah.
It's set over what? 3 or 4 years, ain't touched it. We just pull it and go. You gotta PM your equipment.
Well, but you know the saying, you can't have nothing.
Yeah.
You can't have nothing.
So now we're in the hunt for another pressure washer.
Yeah. Well, I should have been here with my helmet, Chris.
You should have been here with your helmet.
That's what I should have done. And I'm sorry I let you down.
There's 2 reasons it's burn up. Lack of PM,
And I wasn't here with my helmet.
and you wasn't here with your helmet and your jacket.
Okay. I'll accept part of the blame.
But you always got to PM your equipment.
Chris, you know you left your hood up on your truck.
Look. Look.
What, pit back? Full pit back.
I ain't had time to get it out. Can't release it till we get time to work on
Which
it.
one of them tires messed up? That front one.
Yeah. Hey, let me see if I can crank it.
All right.
It's been sitting to, what, a year?
Yeah, at least. Watch it, Chris. Easy.
You watch this.
All right.
I bet this thing a fire.
Let me move so you don't run over me. All right.
Hey, do you know where your choke's at? It's your pit bike. Oh, wait a minute. Chris said, well, is it like your truck now? You sure it's got gas in it? Oh. Don't hurt yourself. If that's on or off. I don't remember. It's been so long. I think it's on. Looks like we should have PM'd the pit bike too. Maybe you need to cut the camera off. You the one said you wanted the camera on. Okay. Oh, almost. Chris, you gonna wear yourself out. Yeah, I'm about done. Hey, no kidding. Has it got gas in it? I don't know. You remember how easy this thing was? Well, another day. Yeah, we're gonna have to try that another day. Chris done. He's done. He's clawed off because I can't push it till he's clawed off. He's done. We're going to have to wait for another day. Oh, he's going to give it another whirl. Chris is a determined individual. Maybe if you pull me with a golf cart. You drop the clutch. Yeah. I think that's on. I got a burglar alarm on it. I know you do. Look at there. That's what I'm talking about. You just had the switch in the wrong location. Oh. There we go. Oh. My burglar alarm was on. One more time. You know, he'd probably appreciate it if we'd get in there and help him work on the race car. Huh? I bet I was running 100 miles an hour. 110, at least. Are you still running? I bet that thing run 110, wouldn't it? Yep. Wide open. That's the fastest thing I've ever been on.
Y'all.
Yeah, Brad.
What speed though? Slow as you can. You want it low.
Need to be a little faster.
Yeah, a little bit faster than that.
About 3.
About 1, 2.
He said as low as I can. Well, yeah, that's what I heard. That's right, thank you. See, I told you. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna learn how to do it.
They ain't got no grooves in it. That's the easiest tire to do.
What'd you say?
Put your thigh up against that tire, it don't move as much.
That ain't got nothing to do with it. I can't, the grinder's bouncing around.
That's what I'm saying. You can hold the tire still with it. There you go.
Well, no, I could do it better if I was over there.
Hey, maybe we need to get an old car for you.
He told me to practice on the old one first.
That's not an old one.
Chris, I think this thing's running backwards. I think we wired it wrong.
That's not an old tire. Oh God, I can't watch this. It's taking rubber off of that thing.
Hey guys, Brad here with Days of Dirt. It's Friday night, right at 9 o'clock. No, we said we was gonna go to Mountain View this weekend. Unfortunately, we had some storms roll through our state yesterday. We were blessed enough to not be hit by it. The county I'm in, we just had a lot of roads be washed out from all the flash flooding. We had culverts we had to replace and all, so we had to work some overtime to take care of all that. But our thoughts and prayers are with all the people that was affected by those tornadoes. There were some strong storms that went just south of here, about 30-45 minutes. I know down around Birmingham, Helena,
Ohatchee mainly.
Ohatchee, all that. So our thoughts and prayers are with each and every one of those guys. They got hit hard.
There was actually some fatalities yesterday.
And of course the ones that went through Georgia and all that. So just be mindful of all that. Make sure you think about all those families. Hated to hear that. You know, I got worried yesterday when our famous weatherman James Spann was on there, and he still performed the best that he could do, even though he knew his house was about to get hit. And so, but anyways, y'all keep all that in mind. If we do decide to race, I know there's supposed to be some rain tomorrow, weather tomorrow. We may go to Talladega. Depends on when this. I'm gonna try to get this video posted tonight. So if y'all see this video in the morning, which will be Saturday, we'll try to be at Talladega tomorrow night, Saturday night, the 24th, I believe.
27th.
27th. Okay, I'm behind. So that's what kind of week I've had. So 27th, Saturday, we're gonna try to be at Talladega.
The 27th on the 27th.
Yeah. So.
That could be a good night.
But anyway. I know we're supposed to have a wrap unveil this week. Wrap got lost in UPS. I believe Dallas has said that in some earlier in this video. Still Friday night, we've not heard anything else about it. They filed a claim with UPS and just trying to get that worked out. Dallas spoke with them today. If it's not found by the weekend, then we're going to get a reprint, and we'll, you know, that'll be shipped out next week. So hopefully we'll have it next week. I didn't want to race it again, just so it don't take no chances of getting it beat up before the wrap gets put on it. But we've not decided if we're going to go yet or not. I know you've seen in the videos. Also, the pressure washer caught on fire with me. And I don't think I clarified what happened in the video. I think you've heard Dallas and my dad and Joel's commentary on it. I was underneath the car washing the car and lost water pressure. And when I got up, I looked over and it was in flames. And what it appeared, the fuel line blowed off the carburetor and it was just blowing fuel on everything. So the pressure washer died. So I couldn't use the water coming out of the pressure washer to put the fire out. So I panicked. The fire was at the fuel tank. I panicked, pushed the pressure washer down into the field, and there, the garden hose is still attached to the pressure washer right underneath the fuel tank. So I was having to try to finagle with it to get the garden hose out. Once I finally got the garden hose out, the garden hose was like it was just adding fuel to the fire, so to say. It was like it was making the flames bigger because it was just dumping gas out of the tank. So I actually pulled my phone out and videoed that because I finally just gave up and threw the towel in and just said screw it.
You can attach that for them.
Yes, I will attach that video. Didn't have a fire extinguisher. I mean, we did, but I was just panic mode, didn't think about it. Probably would have been better off if I'd have just tried to find something to smother it out. I don't know, but done the best I could. So we went and picked up the Black Max 3100 PSI pressure washer tonight. So we got us a new pressure washer. The other brand we had was a Black Max, but it had a Honda motor in it, and I've had that thing since 2010, roughly, and it's been great for us. So went back and got the same brand. Unfortunately, this one don't have a Honda motor. This one's got a Black Max motor, whatever that is. I got us one of them foam cannons, one of them fancy foam cannons. We'll try that out. Of course, we got our new tires prepped and finished up the other night. I don't know if we done an ending video with those or not.
I don't think we did.
But anyways, just want to make a quick video. We're going to go home now. I'm going to get started editing on the video from this past week, and it'll all just be a combined video once you see this. So if you are around Talladega tomorrow, we'll have a few t-shirts with us. I think we said what last week? $15. They're last year's t-shirts, so we got limited sizes, just whatever we got.
Large, maybe some mediums and smalls, or some, maybe not even mediums.
Come check with us, and if you buy more than one, we'll make you a deal on them. So just to get them out of our way. But we got a few odds and odd and ends to do in the morning. First thing in the morning, we gotta go get one more tire that we had ordered that is not here yet. Got to check nuts and bolts on the car, make sure everything's good to go. And of course, we'll have to change the gear from Mountain View to our Talladega gear and charge all the batteries. And I think we was gonna build some new ramps for the trailer because my ramps are rotted. I've had them for about 4 years, but I went to Lowe's tonight when I was looking for pressure washers, and a 2x12 was $67. So we're gonna deal with the rotted ramps for one more week, and I'll just go get some metal and build some next week. Blows my mind the price of lumber, but you can't even get in the parking lot of Lowe's because everybody's buying it up. So maybe we need to find a new job. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring the bell down at the bottom. That way you'll be notified of all our new videos. We'll try to do a live video on the way to the track tomorrow if we do go. And we'll try to continue to do the live videos on Sunday night as well.
And we'll go live during the races.
Yes, and we'll have all the races live, just like always.
On Facebook and YouTube.
Be on Facebook and YouTube, and so y'all check those out. Make sure you check out some of our older videos. Give it a share, give it some comments. Let us know what you think. Share it with your friends and family if you don't care. Thank you to KT Heating and Air, Vinson Race Engine, Superior Bearing Supply, on Motorsports. We'll check y'all guys tomorrow night.